ACS Technologies is one of the leading church management software solutions out there, but before you decide to make a purchase, there are a few things you should know. In this video, we'll compare it to other options and help you make an informed decision. Let's dive right in. First, ACS Technologies offers a robust set of features, but its complexity can be overwhelming for some users. If you're coming from a simpler system or are a small church, you might find it more complicated than you need. Unlike simpler alternatives like Breeze or Planning Center, ACS requires a steeper learning curve, which could be a deal breaker if you're looking for something easy to use out of the box. Next, ACS Technologies stands out for its comprehensive donor management tools. It allows you to track donations, generate reports, and even integrate with accounting software. However, if you're looking for a more intuitive and user-friendly system for donation tracking, you may find systems like Tithe.li more streamlined and easy to navigate. The third thing you should know is that ACS has a great volunteer management system. It allows churches to organize volunteers, manage schedules, and even communicate with them effectively. But it's not the only tool with this feature. Software like ChurchTrack and Fellowship One also offer great volunteer management, often with a simpler, more streamlined interface. Moving on, the fourth thing to consider is its customer support. ACS offers a range of support options, including live chat, phone support, and an extensive knowledge base. While it's certainly comprehensive, some users have noted that it can be slow to respond, especially during peak hours. Alternatives like Breeze or Planning Center offer a more responsive and user-friendly support experience, which might be better if you need quick answers to your questions. The fifth thing to be aware of is the pricing structure. ACS Technologies doesn't offer a free version, and its pricing is on the higher end. You may find it more expensive compared to competitors like ChurchTrack, which offers a more affordable monthly plan with similar features. For smaller churches, this could be a crucial factor to consider. Another consideration is its mobile app. While ACS Technologies does offer a mobile app, it's not as polished or user-friendly as other solutions. For churches that rely heavily on mobile accessibility for their members, alternatives like Planning Center or Breeze offer better app experiences with easier navigation and better functionality. The seventh thing is its reporting capabilities. ACS Technologies excels here with its custom reporting and analytics tools. However, if you're a smaller church, you might find it overkill. If all you need is simple reporting, tools like ChurchTrack can do the job without the complexity. Next, let's talk about integration with other tools. ACS does offer integrations with accounting software and other church-related tools, but its integration ecosystem isn't as vast as some other competitors, such as Planning Center, which integrates seamlessly with a wide range of third-party apps, making it a bit more versatile if you rely on multiple systems. The ninth thing to note is the cloud versus desktop issue. ACS Technologies operates mainly on desktop software with an online version available, which could be limiting for churches that are looking for a fully cloud-based solution. If you're after an entirely cloud-based system, solutions like Breeze or ChurchTrack offer smoother cloud experiences with better mobile syncing. The 10th thing to consider is the learning curve. As mentioned before, ACS Technologies is powerful, but it comes with a steep learning curve. For churches with limited time or technical expertise, opting for an easier-to-learn system like Planning Center or Breeze might be a better choice to get up and running faster. The 11th thing is its scalability. ACS Technologies is designed to scale with your church, meaning it's suited for large organizations with complex needs. However, if you're a small or medium-sized church, you may find that it comes with more features and complexity than you really need. Alternatives like ChurchTrack are better tailored to smaller churches that need a simple, no-fuss solution. Finally, ACS Technologies offers security features, including data encryption and secure backups. While this is essential for protecting sensitive church data, some competitors like Fellowship One provide similarly strong security features with a more intuitive interface, which may make them a better fit for your church. In conclusion, ACS Technologies is a solid option